I did a mistake here. See, here we should get 20A. Because of this 2, we must get 20A. So I did a mistake here. Let's correct this. It's for T2 is equal to 20A. So in our second last step, this is 20A. This is not 10A. This is 20A. So if we put this value of A here, what we'll get? Let's see. Are we getting correct answer? Now, T2 is equal to 20 into 20 divided by 52. Now how much? Still not getting.
सर अभी तो चेंज हो जाएगा
क्या?
20 into 20 by 62.
62. How 62?
पता नहीं सर 62 आया मेरा भी आपने क्या करा है
अरे यार
तो
फिर से
T2
करते हैं.
सब्स्टिट्यूट करके देख लो सर फिर से यहाँ पे 10A रखा है ना तो T2 के नीचे वाले स्टेप में लास्ट में
Yes, this is 20A. This is 20A. So this is 22A. Okay. So 22 plus 40 is 62A. This is 62. Okay. This is 62. Now, lot of mistakes. तुरंत बताया करो ना. Now we are getting correct answer 6.4. Happy? Shall we solve it again or done? Okay. Anujna, are you there?
Sir.
Okay, Anujna, is this okay or you want me to solve it again?
No, sir. I understand.
Understood. Okay. Now let's bring another question into the picture. This question. How to solve this question? First of all, can we take this diagram down?
सर आपने इसको किसके रिस्पेक्ट में किया था
Means टॉर्क वाले को
टॉर्क ने हाँ सर टॉर्क निकालना होता है सर
इसमें ना मैंने हर तरफ से किया. I took talk about this. I took talk about this point. If frictional force will act in this direction, right?
हाँ सर इसी से करा था
Right.
यहाँ से मतलब दो
Suppose this
फोर्सेस
is
कम
frictional
हो
force.
जाती है
And suppose this is normal reaction. Okay. Suppose this is normal reaction N2. And here normal reaction will be acting in this direction. Yeah, what happened? Here normal reaction will be acting in this direction. Am I right? Could you understood? In this direction, normal reaction will be acting in this direction, perpendicular. Now let's make two component of normal reaction, one here and other here. So if this is theta, this is 90 minus theta, and this is also theta. This is 90 minus theta and this is theta. So you will get N1 cos theta here, and you'll get N2 sin theta here. Am I right? And now mg is acting here at the center of mass. This is mg. Understood? We represented all the forces, बच्चों.
और वहाँ n1 sin थीटा आएगा.
हाँ, अच्छा याद दिलाया. This is n1 sin theta. Okay. Now net force must be 0. So n1 cos theta must plus n2 must be equal to what? Must be equal to what?
mg.
Simple, must be equal to mg. Okay. So suppose this is equation A. Now let's talk about next equation, बच्चों. Net upward force equal to downward force. So right hand side force must be equal to left hand side force. Think about F and N1 sin theta. Am I right? F must be equal to N1 sine theta. This is equation B. Is this right? Is this right, bacho? Right hand side force must be equal to left hand side force, right?
Yes, sir.
Please. Okay. Now what I can write at the place? What I can write at the place of F? Mu N2. So F is actually equal to mu N2. Do you agree with this? So mu N2
Yes, sir.
is equal to N1 sine theta. Be very careful, bacho. This time we cannot afford mistake. This question is very big. This is modified equation B. Now let's try to find value of N1. How to find value of N1? We got value of N2 here. N2 is equal to N1 sine theta divided by mu. Put this value of N2 in equation A. Okay. Let's put this value in equation A, and equation A says N1 cos theta plus N2. At the place of N2, I am putting N1 sine theta by mu is equal to mg. We got value of N1, bacho. We got value of N1. So we can take N1 common, we will get cos theta plus sine theta by mu is equal to mg. So what is N1? N1 is mu mg divided by mu cos theta plus sine theta. Do you understood how I got value of N1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we got value of N1. Still we have lot of space. Now we will find torque. We will find torque about point A. Okay, let's try to find torque about point A. So how mg will rotate the rod about A? How mg will rotate rod about point A? Can you tell me?
So clockwise.
So clockwise.
Clockwise. So let's write torque due to mg. Torque due to mg will be mg into this distance. Mg into this distance. Let's rub this. Not required. F and all not required. This is mg. This is line of action of mg. So we need this distance. Can you tell me this distance is L by 2 because mg will act at center. If this is L by 2, this distance is L by 2 cos theta. So what is torque due to mg? What is torque due to mg? Torque due to mg is mg into L by 2 cos theta. Do you agree? Bacho?
Yes, sir.
mg is going to rotate it clockwise. Who is rotating rod anti-clockwise? Who is rotating torque?
Normal reaction.
N1. Look at only N1. Bacho, look at only N1. N1 is rotating it anti-clockwise. Bacho, see, N1 is going to rotate it anti-clockwise. Am I right? Say yes. N1 is rotating rod anti-clockwise.
Yes,
Am I right?
sir.
And torque
Yes,
due to frictional force, and N2 is already 0 because N2 and frictional force are acting on A itself. So torque due to N1 is N1 into this distance. Now how to find this distance? Very easy. This is h. So this distance is h by sine theta. I'm sorry, I cannot tell you how I got this h by sine theta. So anti-clockwise torque due to N1 is N1 into h by sine theta. Okay. Do we have value of N1? Yes, we have value of N1 already. Let's put it here. Remember mu mg upon mu cos theta plus sine theta. Put value of N1. Mg L by 2 cos theta is equal to, what was N1? Mu mg upon mu cos theta plus sine theta. Bracket sine theta into h. Mg got cancelled. Now transfer this other side. You will get L by 2 cos theta sin theta into mu cos theta plus sin theta is equal to mu h. Any problem in this equation? Look very carefully. Any problem in this equation?
No, sir.
Okay, now try
No,
to
sir.
keep multiply L by 2 sin theta cos theta into the bracket. You will get mu cos square theta sin theta plus L by 2 cos theta sin square theta is equal to mu h. Now keep mu one side, transfer this other side to keep mu one side. You will get L by 2 cos theta sin square theta is equal to mu h minus mu L by 2 cos square theta sin theta. So what is mu? What is mu? I have my next class, but sorry, time over. We got value also, but we got answer. You can match this answer with HC Verma. I also have HC Verma. I'll also check answer.
Correct, sir.
Correct, na? Thank you. Cos square theta sin theta. Hopefully this is correct. Let me check. This is question number 45. Yes, we can take LCM. We created history. Very difficult question, but you believe me, I did it 10 times last year, but I could not get answer. This year, in the very first attempt, I got an answer. Within the question itself.
Congratulations, sir.
देखो कितने छोटी जगह में किया मैंने, नई चीज सीखी थी. I used a new app today. अपार. Oh, चलो bye everyone. Take care. Hopefully you enjoyed my class. Admission
Yes,
करा
sir.
दो, समझे, कुछ बच्चे दिला दो अच्छे.